This is the Vision Pro. I've had it for over 2 months now, and I think there's a lot that Apple got right with this thing, more than what people are giving it credit for, while also having some stuff that just isn't quite there yet. Inside of the box, outside of the headset itself, you get an extra light seal cushion, some documentation, the dual loop band, a charging brick and USB-C cable, and then the battery pack. So the first thing that Apple got right is the design, with it just looking cool and being the first headset that doesn't make you look like a complete dork. The second thing is the quality of the screens, with it being the best on any